So this will be the original shifter. Pretty much the only thing that you have to do, just to save the leather. We don't want to mess it up. Just turn it, and if you see this part right here, it needs to come off. Once you do that, you can save. Let me take it out so you can see. But look, as you can see, that way you won't get like it will look original, or at least good. See, one hand. And now I'm just going to adapt the STI reverse lock arm, which is going to be about down here, and then I'm just going to put the race, what's it called, down right there, racing. Okay, now the next thing that you gotta order is this piece right here. I made 4 holes just because I was gonna make 1, but then I ended up just making 3 more just to give it a different look. That's where you're supposed to order from. Well, it's eBay, but you can order it everywhere. It's just a shifter reverse lock adapter. They're pretty cool. And after this, I ordered this shift knob from Racing. Look, let me show it to you over here. Racing. Shift knobs. Look, I ordered from these guys right here. Now right there. You gotta order your pattern. So I'm gonna reverse to the left. 5 speed. Oh my god, that's how it's supposed to look, just like that. I don't like that look. I think my shifter needs like something else to go with it. That's the one. A Chico. If you order these with the engraving, then they charge you a little more. But look, that's how their picture looks. And I'm gonna show you how it looks in the car. So to any company, when they sell you something, this is supposed to just look like this. Look, I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna show you, how it looks just with the shifter knob. Okay, look, if you save your boot like this one right here, that's pretty much how it's going to look. We'll get a closer in the engraving. You guys can't really see that much. So that's one way, and this is the way that I want it to look. So actually, if you're thinking that you can buy this shift knob with the adapter, remember, the company is not gonna sell you this. They're just gonna sell you this for like $150 if you choose the engraving with the speeds and the R and all that. So look, I actually made the holes just so I can tie the bolts. But look, you can actually twist this. I haven't tied the bolts yet. That's why this keeps moving. Look. See, once I tie the screws, the shifter doesn't move nowhere. So they are gonna send you the adapter, you know, just so you can replace the shift knob. But they're not gonna sell you this. If you want that boot little thing, just go to eBay and just look for the what's it called? Okay, now in case if you want to see how heavy this shifter is, hopefully the shifter doesn't go down the creek right there. I'm gonna try to aim it good. Whoa! Wow! Look, brand new engraving. Oh, 735 grams, but you can actually cut this glass. Look, this is the hardest part. Oh, this is gonna be easy. That's it. Super heavy.